Hello children, parents, teachers and all the well-wishers. Welcome back to another video, and this has a prominence. A few of my students asked me, "Ma'am, kindly give us few tips how to improve our memory power." Wonderful guide for me to go with the examination preparation. Yes, memory power, very important. We do have short-term memory, long-term memory. Some things we remember then and there. When we try to recollect after a couple of weeks or months, we tend to forget. Because what we have stored, that information has not stored in the long-term memory. I would like to insist on 4 important aspects. I can call it 3 altogether. How to retain what we learn. How best we can think about when we talk about our memory power. The first one is focus your attention. See, when you open your book, you have to have all the attention. When you go for a film, you watch the film with all your attention. Any movie, that's why we remember the dialogues. That's why we remember the scenes. That's why we remember the songs pretty well, because our whole attention focus is on the film, no distractions. But when we open the book, we have the book in our hand, but we tend to have many distractions. Someone will call us, something will be, loud noise there, some distractions. So let us focus our attention. And one simple technique I give you, good old one, practiced by many people, but we take it very silly technique and very casual kind of one. We don't give much importance to this technique. My dear students, follow this technique. The technique of clapping. When you clap, make sure you clap like this, not a lighter one, not like this. You have to clap like this. At least 3 to 7 times. If you clap, our brain gets the alert signals. The blood, because you have many good pressures, acupressures. When you clap, the blood circulation to the brain will be faster, better. The brain cells will be alert, because most of our learning is related with our brain and mind. So try to clap and have your attention focused. Then you start reading. So whatever you learn, whatever you read goes into your brain, because the brain is alert. As you have supplied the good amount of blood to your brain by clapping. This is a very good technique. Clapping helps in many ways. We'll talk about this later, but for our memory, when you clap, the mind, the brain cells get alert. And you can learn. First point, focus your attention by clapping and make sure no distractions. Second thing, organize, no cramming. See, you read one from first lesson, another at the 10th lesson and another here. It's all, very chaotic. Organize, structure it well. Have a first lesson, then go to the first poem or first unit. In that first unit, first exercise, second exercise. Organize your learning material. And third one, mnemonic devices. It's a Greek word which talks about mindful of certain things and attach the learning points or the difficult terminology. Terminology is the word, vocabulary. Any new word if you come across. Science, many new words. Mathematics, many new words. English, many new words. You can attach this with your regular things, maybe your front door, your window, your table, your chair, your refrigerator, your sofa, your fruit, in an organized way. So when you think about, suppose, photosynthesis, always attach the word photosynthesis to the main door of your home. So whenever you look at photosynthesis, you remember when you look at the main door, photosynthesis. This technique is called mnemonic device. attach difficult words to things so that in the examination you can recollect that and you can write without going wrong with the terminology. And the fourth one and the last one is very important. There are many things. You can read aloud. When you read aloud, you will definitely listen to what you read and then you can remember. All these are the wonderful techniques. You are already following that. But the last thing, whenever you learn something new, suppose a new derivation in physics or a new chemical reaction or an experiment or a new historic event, if you have learned something new, read it in a nice, structurized, organized way. Learn it, read aloud. After learning something new, close your book, take a nap, take rest, sleep for some time. Maybe nap is a 10-minute or 15-minute or a 20-minute sleep, a short sleep. Or before you sleep in the night, learn something new and sleep. When you give rest to your brain, what you learn, retain very, very strongly. And when you try to recall what you learned, it will be more effective and you can get whatever you learned in a better way. My dear students, follow this. First, focus your attention. Use the clapping technique. Second, don't cram the things. 1 point here, 1 point there. First lesson, then 10th lesson, then don't come to third lesson. No. Organize. Read aloud. Mnemonic devices. Attach the difficult terminology to any of the things associated. Your regular things. The last one, get good sleep after you learn something new. When you wake up, you remember every point pretty well. Learn these techniques. Definitely, you will improve your memory power. Take care. God bless you all.